Welcome to a new series for learning React. In this course, we will go from zero to hero in React. If you have been looking for a course comprehensive, easy, and uncomplicated, I was created based on a poll contributor for a few weeks ago, and React was a winner. Who can take this course? I'm creating this course for a beginner. If you know basic programming, you can start your journey with React. For advanced, if you have already experience with React, you will find advanced concept and topic here. You can improve your code. What's the course content? Introduction, React. Understand what's React and why it's powerful. JSX component. Building reusable UI blocks with the JSX and props. State and lifecycle, learning how to make your app dynamic and reactive. Context and state management. Routing, building multiple page application using React Route. Hook, use state, use effect, and custom hooks. API integration, fetch and display data from real-world API. Event and form, handle use, input, and created responsive form. Performance optimize. Make your application fast and scalable. Project-based learning. Deployment. Learning how to publish your app online. This course is your completed guide to become confident in React development. Are you ready to become React development? Don't forget, like and subscribe in my channel to show a new video. And see you in the first lesson. Goodbye.